Have you ever noticed how we have the least tolerance for certain things and people in life? The moment we have to face those episodes or people, most of us simply fly off the handle. We may regret it later on, but deep inside, we tend to believe that I got angry because they set me off, they triggered it. That had they had their house in order, I wouldn't be angry to begin with. I suppose it's so convenient, but this is a poisonous view. Poisonous because now we have shifted the responsibility of our behavior onto someone else. The truth is, whatever be the case, we always have a choice. Buddha used to say, a monk should never give way to anger. I may as well share the story Buddha narrated to one of his disciples, Molia Faguna, when he said the words above. In the town of Savatthi, there was a housewife called Videhika. She was reputed to be gentle, humble, and calm. She had a servant called Kali, who was industrious and efficient. One day, Kali thought, although my mistress is reputed to be gentle, humble, and calm, I suspect she has a temper. She doesn't know it because I do my work so well. What if I were to test my mistress? The next morning, Kali rose late from bed. Videhika asked her the reason for her lateness. No reason in particular. Kali replied. Videhika frowned. The following morning, Kali rose even later. Videhika asked her why. No reason in particular. Kali replied. Videhika scowled. The next morning, Kali rose later still, and the mistress again asked her the reason. No reason in particular. Kali replied. Videhika flew into a rage and shouted at Kali. Then she took the rolling pin in her hand and hit Kali on the head. Kali ran from the house with blood trickling down her face and told neighbors what Videhika had done. As a result, Videhika's reputation was ruined. Like Videhika, said Buddha, you are all reputed to be gentle, humble, and calm. But how would you react if you were tested? Suppose that you did not get the food, the clothes, and the medicines you need. Would you still be gentle, humble, and calm? The only means of remaining gentle, humble, and calm at all the times is to follow the Buddha's teachings. The next time you find yourself worked up, just bear in mind, one episode can undo years of hard-earned spiritual attainment. If you have to be firm, should you need to put on a display of anger to get the job done in the real world, you can do so without using hurtful words. That's it for today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.